Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am not as good of a skier as I thought, but we're gonna check out this massage gun here, and let's check this thing out. Got my buck knife here to open it, just because I'm one-armed. So let's see how we do here. So this is it here. So if you have sore muscles or whatever, it should be able to help you out. It's by, I don't know, cotsoco. Let's see how we open it here. It's gonna be okay. So here we go. So take a look, the box is empty. So it comes in a carbon fiber looking case. That's not carbon fiber, it's rubber. So let's check this out here. Nice case though. It's got a little handle on it. And we're gonna kind of see how this looks. It comes with, here we are, just packing material and trigger points therapy, massage pain. And it comes with, it looks like it has a 3-year warranty. Here is the charging cable for it. It's USB-C. There's the camera. Sorry, USB-C to USB. And oh, I can only hold this with my right hand. Sorry, but this is it here. This is what it looks like. Check it out. It's there, and the tools go in the end here. Let's see what tools it comes with. It's very cool looking. Very nice, convenient package. That's for sure. So I'm just gonna empty them all out in here. Comes with a nice little mesh bag to hold all the tools. So it comes with the one that goes like, I guess, on either side of your spine to dig into that. Comes with a pinpoint precision one. So if you just want to dig into a particular area. A nice little spatula one. So just kind of going up and down different areas. The flat one there, which I like this one here sometimes. It comes with, oh, this one here is like a digging groove one. This one here will get in there good. And it comes with a soft ball. You can try the soft ball one and see how it goes. See if I can put this on. Just pushes on. I was able to do it with one hand, thankfully. And let's see how we turn it on here. We'll try to do it here on the camera if I can. Oh, does it have a, looks like it might have a plastic over it. It does. There we go. So let's see. Is there a switch? Let me see how this works. Might need to be charged. Give this thing a charge and we'll try it in a minute. Actually, my stupidity here, if you look on the bottom, that's where you charge it. It also has an off and on switch. So if I just turn it to on, it lights up on the back. So there we go. And now we can set it to power there. So I guess this is 1.8. Let's give it a try on my leg. It's pretty forceful here. Let's increase it. So now I'm at, ooh, oh, this is the thing. So now if it's set on 30, it's vibrating super fast. And let me go back down here. And then, yeah, there we go. And then when you turn it back off and on again, it goes back to 1. Very cool. So it feels good on there. It'll feel good on this shoulder. If I did it on the other shoulder, I'd probably be screaming right now. Ooh, that feels nice. So very cool. Let's see how it's made here. It's got some good heavy duty to it, so it's probably got a decent sized battery. It might say it on there if you want to pause it and read it. Looks like it's got some air vent holes in the top to keep it going good. And very nice looking device. Actually, look, it stands up on its little own here. And then I guess you could just take off the different tips and put on the different ones if I was to put on this flat one. Try this one out now. Yeah, I kind of like the flat one too. So, I like them both. I don't think I'd like the one digging into me though, but here we go. Ooh, yeah, I need somebody to do this to my back. Does anybody want to come over here and do this? That feels really good. So there we go. So this is it. I mean, as far as first impressions, it looks as good and seems to work as good as any of the super duper, really ridiculously expensive ones. Definitely works better than those little portable ones. I've had a little portable one before. That one just didn't have the power. This one here, you really feel it. I think maybe just because of the weight behind it, that it really gets a good digging in there. So I would totally recommend this one here. For the price, definitely get it. Seems good to me. Turn it back off here and put it back in the box, and it seems really good. So thumbs up from me. I like this one. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.